So this is Amazon Fresh. I'm going to enter Amazon Fresh. You just order what you need, you just take what you need, use an app, the Amazon shopping app, to get your code, scan your code at the gate, and take all the stuff you want and go out with it. They add it to your receipt. We still don't have this in Malta. Then you just pick the items from the shelves in a bag. And when you pick something, basically it will be charged to you eventually. Okay, they have even pizzas here, all sorts of stuff, fruits, instant fruit, pineapples, the prices, two bananas, £1.35, tomatoes, very nice, very good prices. Want to sell it? Just £165. The Sicilian lemon tarts by Amazon, £3.50. Want these Sicilian lemon tarts? They're £3.50, £50. Cherry and almond tarts, £3.50 also. Very nice. Profiteroles, £1.49 for a box of Morrison's profiteroles. Or probably Panicol, £4.30. Come on, get it. Let's get it back. You don't need to check out your items. Paper bag is free. Well, yogurts, Greek style Yeo Value Organic 260, the one Alpro, that's £1.18. Very nice prices. Page, they're large, 0%. It's £3.74. Nice. Juices, that's orange and mango, £2.95. Those are the prices. Cooking condiments, light mayonnaise, £3.40. Tomato ketchup, £3.75. Highlight, £3. Eggs, £1.85 for 6 large free-range eggs. Here you have steak, cooking, and so quite a nice choice. Salmon fillets for £80. Sausages, gluten-free, £3. Pork sausages are £3.29. Seeing sauces, I'm seeing Nando's Perennials, that's mild, £2. Medium Nando's, £2.55. The smaller peri peri medium, that's £2, but that's very small, smaller than the ones I buy in Malta. Nando's sweet chili jam, never seen this. This is £2.80. It's new. Wonder if we will see it in Malta. Some heroes, and that's £8. Easter, so Easter eggs, Kenko smooth, that's £7.15. Grove egg belts, that's from the Netherlands. Very good coffee, £6.30. Honey, starting from £2.80. Have a superhero kind of day, that 40. Light bulbs, you can get Amazon Basics here, batteries, corkscrew opener, pounds. We can get everything here. And it's all Amazon. Confectionery, chocolates, crisps. Walkers are 150. Sparkling water, San Pellegrino 160. Highlands £1. Evian 135. Here you can do a pickup and returns from Amazon. Hot cross buns, 6 hot cross buns by Amazon. They're only £1.30. I wasn't aware that you could buy them from Amazon. I wouldn't have brought the ones I brought from Malta. So I brought them with me. We have bread, Hovis, soft white medium, 140. We want wholemeal, that's 140 also. No, pay premium for it, it will be 140. Dr. Pepper, 160. Fanta, 160. Price for drinks. Monster energy drink is 165. Large Evian, 135. The small one is £1. Here you have cafe latte, cheese coffee, it's 235. And they've got cafe also, 270. Sandwiches, crisps, chewing gums. And here they have bakeries also. In the morning they had all sorts of stuff, but it's sold out. Chocolate chip cookies, 85 cents against prices, brownies, banana bread, £1. I'm going to end the video here. Here you can also buy a coffee. If you want, you can buy a coffee. It's just $2.45. You can also get it as part of a meal deal, and that's cheaper. It's very cheap. The meal deal is $3.90. So the meal deal consists of the main plus drink plus snack. So you can get a coffee as the drink, or one of the drinks. Here the water, for example, or water, or also the Starbucks drinks. The main can be one of these sandwiches or these wraps. There's quite a choice here. And the snack will be one of these. Be the fruit salad, or scotch egg, or pork pies, or these chicken tikka bites with the king prawns, or the spinach falafels, or these pomegranates. They would be part of the meal deal. After I took items and put them back on these shelves, later my Amazon buyer account got suspended. I don't know if it was a coincidence or whether this was the reason. Thankfully, Amazon reinstated my buyer account. This bag is free. I've gotten 2 profiteroles and a water by Evian. So basically I don't need to check out at the counter or pay. I mean, I pay, but through the Amazon app. So you'll be paying without needing to check out or show your items. It's automatic. So thanks for watching this video. Still good to go. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video, which won't be from Amazon.